Alright, welcome back everybody. In this video I'm going to show you all a few extra things that we can do with format specifiers. Using a format specifier within a printf statement, we can define and format a type of data to be displayed. To use a format specifier, you use a %sign, then follow that %sign with a certain character depending on the type of data you would like to display. Let's say that we have 3 variables. Maybe we have an online store or something like that. So let's say that these are of the float data type, and we'll have 3 items for sale. Item 1, and make up some price. Let's say that the first item is $5.75. And we have item 2, and this will be $10 even. And then we have item 3, and this will be $100.99. So let's display item 1, item 2, and item 3 with a printf statement. Printf, and within a string, let's say item 1, space, then I'll add a $sign. Wherever you would like to insert a value or variable, you will use that format specifier, the %sign. So after my $sign, I'll add item 1. So that would be %, then for floats you need f. And then after the string, add comma, item 1. Then let's just make sure that this works. So we're going to be formatting this output. What if we don't want all the zeros? We can set the decimal precision of a float or double. After the format specifier, add a dot and the amount of digits you would like to display. If I would only like to display 2 digits, after the %, I will add 0.2. And this will only display 2 digits for the amount of cents that we owe. Okay, now let's do the same thing for items 2 and 3. So item 2, item 2, item 3, item 3. Okay, then let's add a new line character because I forgot. So new line, and new line. Much better. Another thing that we can do with format specifiers is that we can set a minimum field width. So just add a number after the %sign. Let's say that I would like to allocate 8 spaces worth of room to display my number. So after the %sign, but before the decimal, add how many spaces you would like to set for the minimum field width. Let's say 8. And let's see the new output. Okay, there we go. However, it's all right aligned. If you would like this left aligned, you would use a negative sign after the %. To left align all of this, this would be negative, whatever number you would like to allocate. So the number is left justified, but we still have all of this room after. So that's what a format specifier is. It defines and formats a type of data to be displayed. So place a format specifier within a string, use a certain character for the type of data you would like to display. You can set decimal precision for floats and doubles. You can set a minimum field width to display your output if you would like to line things up like you can see here. And you can left or right align your output. So yeah, those are format specifiers. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.